Hey, what is up guys, FZM here. Welcome back and welcome to the display test series for 2019. It's good to be back. This is the very first display quality test between the Huawei Mate 20X versus the P20 Pro, the two outstanding flagships from Huawei. Now, I've had many requests for the display test series as it's become quite popular here on my channel, and I haven't uploaded in the last few weeks, but that all changes from today. Right, let's get down to business. In summary, I'll be testing which smartphone has the best overall display using a variety of Ultra HD video content. So, you may have watched my previous display test between the likes of the Note 9 and the Mate 20X and the Honor Note 10. If not, I highly recommend watching them after this. The comment section had some very interesting opinions and discussions, so join the debate. Anyways, it's the same theme once again, but this time it's a battle between two of the best flagships from Huawei. There will be three parts to cover the display quality test. This video today is part 1, which features two Ultra HD clips. Both videos will test high dynamic range, RGB color accuracy, and overall display vibrancy between both smartphones. Enjoy it and give your feedback at the end on which you think is the winner. For the Huawei Mate 20X, we're looking at a 7.2 inch OLED display, and on the P20 Pro, a 6.1 inch AMOLED display. So settings, display, max brightness, color temperature is set to vivid, which will give us nicer vibrant colors. For the screen resolution, the Mate 20X is at Full HD Plus at 2244 by 1080. Now, as you can see, we have an option to hide the notch. I'll leave this on default to see just how much the teardrop notch affects our overall viewing experience. And finally, there is Dolby Atmos support, which gives us high fidelity audio with 3 modes: Smart, Film and Music. Film is my preferred option as it gives the Mate 20X excellent audio quality through its top and bottom firing speaker. So, for the Huawei P20 Pro, settings, display, max brightness, color mode and temperature is set to vivid like the Mate 20X. Again, we have the option to show or hide the notch. I'll keep it on default. For screen resolution, the highest is 2240 by 1080, making the P20 Pro a Full HD Plus display. And the P20 Pro also has Dolby Atmos support with the same 3 modes as the Mate 20X: Smart, Film and Music. Okay, let's begin. So, resolution quality 1080p for the Mate 20X, full brightness, and quality 1080p for the P20 Pro, full brightness, and 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, see you guys at the end. So let me hear your thoughts on this display comparison test. Huawei Mate 20X or Huawei P20 Pro? Which display performed the best here? Which would you choose and who do you think won? Is the Mate 20X with its phenomenal 7.2 inch OLED display grasping your attention due to its sheer quality and overall design, or do you prefer the highly respected P range from Huawei, the P20 Pro? Both in my opinion are exceptional flagships in their own range, but who takes the victory in the display department? There's 2 more parts coming up between the Mate 20X and P20 Pro to crown the Huawei champion. So stay tuned for part 2 and 3. I'll be conducting this series with all the latest smartphones, so be sure to stick around. It's going to be very interesting for 2019. For now, Mate 20X or P20 Pro? I'll see you guys in the comment section below. And once again guys, thanks so much for watching and showing your support as usual. Keep it coming. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and as always guys, hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload, and I'll catch you guys all on the next one. Peace.